Hi guys, it's Lena and I'm back with another video. So today I recorded another video on my locks. I'm waiting for it to dry, so in between that I'm going to record a makeup look and we're going to be using this baby. This is the James Charles palette by Morphe. And it looks like this. There's a lot of pretty colors and a lot of neutrals. I'm pretty sure you could get a lot of looks out of this, but today I am probably going to stick to the greens and a bit of the neutrals up here. We'll see what I create. I know makeup isn't really on anyone's radar as of lately because of the whole mask situation, but I feel like the most that you can do is make your eyes look pretty because your mask isn't touching that. You don't have to worry about all of this down here. However, I'm still gonna do a full face, and yeah. So if you wanna see the look that I create, please stay tuned. So my eyebrows are already done and I've already primed my lids. I am going to use Code James, which is this color right here. Then I'm gonna dip into 10%, which is this brown color right here. And I'm also gonna use No Beans, which is this darker brown right here. So I'm kind of doing a gradient effect. I want most of that No Beans to be concentrated in these corners right here, these outer corners. And if it needs more depth, we'll dip into a deeper brown when the time comes. I really like how this looks so far. What I'm gonna do now is cut the crease. What is this? The e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the color Deep Olive, and it looks like this. So we're gonna dip into Daddy. Dip into Daddy, and we will see. I'm gonna put it more towards the end over here. That is a nice green. Wow. If you didn't know, my favorite color is green. And this, it looked like money, baby. Ooh, this is nice. Wow. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. It'd be nice to do a completely matte lid. I suck at them, but one day I will do it right. I don't know if today will be that day, but it might be because this green is looking hella fine. Okay, this maybe it's just me, but it is a little bit chalky. I don't really know, but it still looks good, so yeah. Maybe I should have taken the crease up a little bit higher. Trial and error, trial and error. So next time I'll probably do that. Next is blend this little area right here. Use No Beans and Benny to fix this little outer corner right there. And just lightly. Oh, I don't like that the colors do that. Like, okay, let me stop talking and just do what it do, because so when you put the colors on top of one another, they kind of take away that color, and I don't like that at all. So I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and my Sonia Kashuk brush. Sponge, not brush. I'm gonna put some of the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut under my eyes to conceal those darkness. I'm not using a lot, just enough, and I'm actually gonna use the Sonia Kashuk and press that into my skin. Now to brighten it up, I'm going to use the other one in Deep Olive. Just a little bit on my nose, forehead. I should probably do my chin because I'm gonna take pictures. Edit. I'm gonna use the Sonia. It's growing on me. It's growing on me. Yeah. I don't know what it is about this concealer, but I like it a lot. And now I am going to use this Airspun. Black Radiance in Black Coffee. Contour with this Cocoa Nori. I am actually going to put a little concealer in those corners. Actually, I'm just gonna use Hello. Yeah, I like that. Hello, it's me. I don't know the words to the song, but I know still. Okay, I'm feeling it. Going to wipe this shit off of my face. Blend it out, blend it out. Add a little bit more of that bronziness right up here because I like a nice little bronze cheek. I really do. Yes. We got the all-nighter setting spray. And once that dries down, Juvia will be on the cheeks. I don't know about y'all, but I be having fun when I do my makeup. I really do. Like I said, I need to take it higher the next time, but it's uncover me. I really do like this look. And for the under eye, I use the same colors for the top on the bottom. First one. Nah, it's gonna be a lot like I did last time. Okay, switch it around. Circle it around. It is very, 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 very pigmented. And I'm gonna put a little on the tip of my nose. I'm actually gonna blend that cheek out. Can't be looking crazy, oh chill. Just today, I'm going to be using the Kiss Wispy Flutters, which look like this. While those lashes dry down a little bit, I'm gonna do my lip. I'm gonna use a mixture of Velvet Teddy and Pink Pout. So my pink pout is almost done. And I'm gonna take my Cocoa Crush from Revlon and put it on the outskirts as I did with the lip liner. And then for the center of my lips, I'm going to use NYX Creme Brulee Butter Gloss. And I think that is the lip combo. I probably could have done this with just the Cocoa Crush and Creme Brulee, but it's whatever. So I applied my lashes and I applied the Mega Last Wet n Wild eyeliner. So I believe this is the finished, completed look. For the face, if you would like to see how everything turns out, like including my hair, maybe watch the previous video. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye guys.